Okay, there are three types of loop statement in C language. Okay, first is the for loop. Okay, for statement, and then second is a while loop, and the third one is a do while loop. So the first loop, okay, each loop, uh, to write loop, okay, in C program, okay, we need to have three elements. First element is initialize counter value, okay, start value. Okay, we use a variable, okay, to count our loop, so we need to initialize, okay, a start value for this counter. For example, okay, in this program, okay, I will use I equal to 0. So initialize value I equal to 0. I is a counter. Okay, I will count how many loop in our program. Okay, the first element is a initialize start value for counter, and then second element is a need to setting test condition. So in each loop, okay, we need to set test condition. For example, in this case, okay, so number of loop is a 5 loops, so we need to set our test condition, okay, I less than 5. Okay, and then the third element is a increment or decrement value counter. Okay, for in this case, okay, I will use I plus plus because we start our counter, our value for counter start from 0, okay, until value I, okay, I less than 5, and then each loop, so we will increment value I, okay, from 0 to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for the first exercise, okay, we will use a for statement, for loop, okay, in C program. Okay, how we write, okay, for loop. Okay, for loop, okay, okay, this is a for loop. How we write, okay, for statement. First, we use a keyword for, okay, and then we write a parenthesis. In this parenthesis, okay, there are three spaces that we need to put in to write. Okay, and then we separate all these three uh, element. Okay, we separate them with semicolon. Okay, the first element is initialize value counter. Okay, so in this case, okay, I will use variable I. So I declare integer I. Okay, integer I. So integer I. So for start value I, okay, I put I equal to 0. This is a initialize value counter. I equal to 0. Okay. Second element is we need to set test condition. Okay, if we want our loop, for the number of our loop is a 5. Okay, so I put here I less than 5. Okay, because we start our loop, okay, with a value 0, and then we will stop, okay, at when I equal to 4. Okay, and then the last element, we need to put increment or decrement. In this case, we need to put increment. Okay, and then after finish with setting our loop. Okay, So we can process, or we can print, okay, any output. Okay, for example, I want to display hello. Okay, hello. Okay, so we run our code. Okay, what we get here is a, okay, hello. Okay, 5 times. Okay, five hello. Okay, 5 times. Okay, if we want our loops, okay, is 10 loops, so we need to change, okay, our condition, okay, test condition, okay, we change to 10. Okay, so we run our code, so we will get hello 10 times. Okay, 10 hello. Okay, we also can um, change our initial value. Okay, for example, I want to change to I equal to 1. Okay, and then I less than or equal 10, so I want 10 loop. Okay, but my initial value, okay, start from 1. Okay, and then our loop will stop at I equal to 10, so I plus plus, and then I want to my output, I want to each output I want to put them in a new line. Okay, so I put backslash n, so that so each output will display at a new line. Okay, and then at the same time I want to display number of loop, so I will use, okay, value I to display number of loop. So for example, okay, I put here, okay, %d, okay, to display value I. Okay, and then the variable is I. Okay, so we run our code. Yeah, so there are 10 line. Okay, 10 line output hello. Okay, so this is a value I start from 1. Okay, and then stop at 10. Okay, each loop, okay, we will print or display, okay, a hello. Okay, we also can use decrement counter. Okay, we start our counter value, okay, with a for example, okay, start from 10, and then our loop will stop, okay, when value I, okay, equal to 0. Okay, so we start our counter with value I equal to 10, and then we will stop, okay, when I equal to 0, and then so the third element is we need to decrement, okay, decrement value counter, okay, I minus minus. Okay, so we start our loop with value I equal to 10, and then stop when I equal to 0. Okay, we run this code. Okay, so our output, okay, 10 times loop, okay, 10 loops with a hello, and then each loop we display value I. Okay, in this program, our value I, okay, start from I equal to 10, and then decrease, okay, by 1, so decrease by 1, so 10 9 8. Okay, and then our loop will stop when I equal to 0, so that's why our last output I equal to 1.